Hello everyone, welcome back to MechCAD by Pooja. So in the previous part of this tutorial series, we designed the glass jar body from scratch, and today we will create the matching lid and then assemble it with the jar body to complete the final glass jar assembly. So before we begin, I would like to mention that the lid is currently displayed with a yellow plastic appearance, and this is done only to make the features and modeling details easier to see. Once the modeling is complete, we will apply a glass appearance to achieve a more realistic final look. So let's get started and begin creating the lid. Click on File, New, Part, and OK. So now that we have our new part window open, we will begin by creating the profile of the lid. For that, select front plane, sketch, select center line, set the orientation to vertical, infinite length and place it at the origin. Now select 3-point task and make two arcs, one here and one more. Now select arc 1 and arc 2, make them equal, click on Smart Dimension. For the radius value of the arc, enter 20 mm. Select this point and the origin. This vertical gap is 70 mm. Enter 15 mm. Here enter 10 mm. Okay, this vertical gap is 10 mm. And this time enter 20 mm. Now select line 1 and line 2. Click on Smart Dimension again. Select this point and this top point. Enter 25 mm. This point and this point. This is 13 mm. 30 mm. And this is 25 mm. So now we have the profile ready for the top handle for easy gripping. Now we would be creating the mating geometry that fits the jar opening. For that, select 3-point arc, point 1 and point 2. Make one more arc. Smart dimension. Radius for this arc is 4 mm. Select this point and the central vertical axis. Enter 120 mm here. Select this point and the origin. This gap is 20 mm. Select this arc and the radius value for this arc is 250 mm. Now select line. Make a horizontal line like this. Now a vertical line. Come to the origin and now go to the top. Click on Smart Dimension. Select this point and the origin. And this is 109.52 divided by 2. Okay, so we have our profile ready. Now go to Features, and click on Revolve Features to generate the main lid shape. Click OK. Now select fillet radius 1 mm and select this circular edge. Then select this one, select this edge and this one here. Now click OK. Click on shell. Shell thickness is 2.5. Select this bottom face and click OK. Click on fillet. Select full round fillet. Phase 1, phase 2 and phase 3. Click OK. Now as you can see on the screen, our part is complete. Now click on appearances, glass, gloss and reflective green glass. Change the display style. Now that the lid is complete, let's move to the assembly environment and combine it with the jar body created in part 1. And before we do, let's save the part first. Part 2, save. Now click on File, New, and this time select Assembly, OK. Click on Browse here and select the part 1. Drop it somewhere here. Now click on Insert Components and bring the part 2. It's somewhere here. Now select Made and select the cylindrical face of the lid and this cylindrical face of the jar body. Concentric, OK. Drag it a little upwards. Now go to Advanced Made. Yeah, 0 mm, maximum 150 mm, 100 here, and now select the faces. Select this face of the lid and this face of the jar. Click OK. OK. Change the display style. Now as you can see on the screen, the glass jar project is complete now. We have designed the lid, assembled it with the jar body and applied a realistic appearance to visualize the final product. Thank you for watching my cat by Pooja and I'll see you in the next video.